Welcome to my channel. Brother DCP-T520W wireless printer setup without USB cable. Step 1. Turn on the printer, plug in your Brother printer and press the power button. Make sure the Wi-Fi light is blinking or ready for setup. Step 2. Place printer near router. Keep the printer close to your Wi-Fi router during setup for a stronger and stable connection. Step 3. Open Wi-Fi settings on printer, press the menu button on the printer panel and go to Network WLAN Setup Wizard. Step 4. Enable wireless network, select WLAN Enable and press OK. The printer will start searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Step 5. Choose your Wi-Fi name, select your home Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list shown on the printer screen. Step 6. Enter Wi-Fi password. Use the printer buttons to type your Wi-Fi password carefully, then press OK to connect. Step 7. Wait for connection confirmation. After a few seconds, the printer screen should display connected or connection OK. Step 8. Install Brother software on computer. Download and install the official setup software from Brother support on your Windows PC or Mac. Step 9. Add printer wirelessly. Open the Brother installer, select wireless network connection, and let it detect your Brother DCP-T520W printer automatically. Step 10. Print a test page. Print a sample document or test page to confirm the wireless setup is working properly without a USB cable. Thanks for watching.